Is it just me, or does meringue pie scream summertime? I promised you a tart twist. Rhubarb! Rhubarb is so underrated. Tart like a lemon, color of a rose, and well, it tastes like rhubarb.
You gotta see how the hustle go. You know he caught up by his bros though. In 24 hours, the world could be ours and be a problem to those in power. Lick a man, down with the shower. Guarantee you're looking at the man of the hour. Don't backbite, keep your head high. If you can talk it out, move your head high. Running the sides and our flies. And we gon' kick it this time, cause you know it's a vibe. Let the music get up in your mind. Let the music get up, take you high.
Now this just needs to come up to temp and then simmer. Cool like a rhubarb. Simmer until soft, then
One question. Are you really ready?
okay, let's turn this into a velvety smooth, lip-smacking, mouth-puckering mix.
I said, give me your hand, show you.
My slurry. You wanna know a yoke about yolks? I'm telling you, I cracked myself. Okay, now go slow. You don't wanna cook that yolk. Making sure there's temperature control. Don't want a grumpy tart. Ever only had store-bought gummy meringue? Huh, watch how easy this is. Cream of tartar makes the meringue stable and tall. Oh, I wonder if he's single. So cool. Ha-ha!
It was just something you said.
Get out the artiste in you.
It was just something you said. I think I knew right from the start. Nothing would ever be the same. When you smiled and took my hand, it was just something you said.
This mile-high pie is giving me a mile-wide smile.